Yes guys, look at that. And these are the ingredients. So we have our teriyaki sauce. Look at that packaging, courtesy of Globalist Interaction JA. You know what to do already, guys. If you want the sauces, you can hit us up in that comment section and or DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there. Followed by our mother seasoning, or salt and pepper, onion and garlic powder mixture, and our fish. Yes guys.
Alright guys, so we're just gonna get right tonight and get the ball rolling. So first we're gonna season the fish with some salt and pepper, and remember to season from high to it evenly spread. And today we're doing a teriyaki brown stew fish.
Yes guys.
And everything in one bottle. So we don't need to add anything else but that teriyaki sauce. And you'll see it works. Just watch and see what's happening, guys.
Yes.
Alright, so remember, lightly.
Because the teriyaki has a whole lot of flavor already, we're just doing this, you know.
Now we're coming along with the onion and garlic powder.
Yes.
And though you don't need a lot of this, because you don't want, when the fish is frying, it burn and you see some black and all over the fish, you don't want that. So you gradually or use a generous amount.
Yes guys, to your liking, but ensure that you don't have it excessively where you have it sticking and causing those black when you fry, right?
And so now we're going to go inside and everything.
Yes guys, and we're going to allow this to marinate for 30 minutes to an hour, or however long you have. So if you have overnight, it doesn't matter, right? The longer the marination, the better the flavor.
So now we're going to get on with the frying of the breadfruit. So forward.
Yes guys, let's go.
Yes guys, it's at the right temperature, so now we're going to add our breadfruit, and remember to layer with.
Yes guys, and we're going to fry these until they're golden brown. You don't know the vibe, we're catching the back when we're giving these a turn. So forward. Yes guys, it's that time again. Time for the turn. You know the vibe. Look at that. Nice and golden. Beautiful, right? Next time you guys see us, it's removal time. So just drop it down below in the comment section and tell us if you would have this, right? And tell us if you enjoy teriyaki. So forward. Yes guys, it's removal time. So going to remove these and drain it. Place it on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Nice and golden. And guys, we have some new sauces coming, right? So we have pepper sauce, we have jerk seasoning, we have sweet and sour, and the teriyaki. So as you know, if you want these sauces, you can DM us on Instagram on our business page. That's Globalist Interaction JA, lowercases, no space.
Alright guys, we leave now more, but just add the fish.
One go, right? Yes guys, so we're going to allow this to get nice and golden just the same, and then we'll get on with the sauce down. But when we're giving it a turn, we're gonna come back, so we're so forward again.
So forward. Yes guys, so now we're gonna give this a turn.
Look at that guys, beautiful, right? So the next time you guys will be seeing us is when we're giving this a sauce up, so we're so forward.
Yes guys, so now we're gonna add the teriyaki.
Yes guys, and remember we tell you, teriyaki is already flavorful. Right guys.
And the leaf that you're seeing is bay leaf.
Yes guys.
And this don't need no addition, no compliments, it's good on its own.
So, and this is why we're going to show you that the sauce can stand on its own, right? So we're just going to allow this to simmer and the fish to absorb the flavor from the teriyaki.
But I will add a little extra garlic.
Yes.
Because there are people like it garlicky. So I catch on the back when this reduce, or we give it a turn. So forward.
So forward.
Yes guys, about that time, so we're gonna give this a turn. Look at that.
Guys, just look at that, and it's not finished as yet. Look how the teriyaki is coating the fish nicely, right? So the next time you guys will be seeing us, it's removal time.
Soon forward.
So forward. Yes, guys.
So now we're gonna move over to the plating station. So forwardly, don't skip that dial. If you drink or get where you like, if you smoke or do the right thing, you soon forward again.
Let's go. Yes, guys. Telling us when we come back, a time for the plating. Start dropping them comments.
Look at that.
Lovely, right? And as I tell you, it was nice and golden. See, you're seeing it better now. Coming along with the star of the show, that fish, teriyaki fish. Look at that, guys.
Fix him up a little better. Remove this.
Yes, guys.
Alright guys, so I'll clean up the plate and forward.
So forward. Yes, guys. Add some of that delicious teriyaki sauce there. Ooh, look at that.
Just enough.
Yes, guys. Take a quick rundown. Looking all beautiful. Remember, guys, DM us on Instagram if you want the sauces. We're gonna also place the number on the screen where you can WhatsApp or call if you choose to.
That is it.
Yes, guys, look at that. Quick, easy, and simple, right? Yes, guys. Remember, follow us on Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there.
Yes guys, so I'm going to catch a drift. I'm going to love this. So comment down below, tell us which part of the video is your favorite part, and we'll know the thing go. So until next time,
Bye, foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?